you can park, go inside. Whitney Point. Not bad. Pretty nice area actually. I've been there before. They have like just restrooms and some vending machines. Nothing too crazy, but they're nice and clean inside. It looks good. Nice scenic view. I recommend that actually. If you guys are driving by here, 81 South. Oh, look at that. We got McDonald's over there. Look at that. One of the best places you can stop by on the road, right? Get a McChicken or something and keep driving. That's the way to do it. Try to stay away from fast food, but hey, on the road, can't really do that. Whatever the road gives you, you take it. Otherwise, you'll be hungry. Oh, those bumps. Alright guys, got some McDonald's. Now we can go on trucking. Break is over. McDonald's all day. That's right guys, McDonald's. Hey guys, so to be honest, I think this is the best stuff you can get. The McChicken here at the McDonald's. And some fries with it. Yeah, it's a good meal, you know, for like a snack bite, for like a half an hour break. That you gotta do anyway, so might as well get a McChicken, you know what I mean? Man, I love the scenery here. Nice cold day, 30 degrees. Man, this is nice. Loving it. Window a little dirty, but hey, that was from the salt. Man, nice relaxing job. This is what you do if you're really stressful while listening to podcasts. And man, I mean not stressful, but like, you know, it's nice and relaxing, you know. You're driving around and making money from it. It's not bad. Listen to all the podcasts you can. Look what he's hauling. Flatbed. Driver. Not bad. Some metal. Guys are taking a break here. Gotta get some food. The rest area, a service area. Check this out guys, this salad is what's up. This is what I'm gonna eat. And if you guys want some good food while driving, grab a couple of these and you won't be eating fast food, you'll be staying healthy. That's right guys, stay healthy. Look at that, gotta stop. No idea why. I thought it was speeding.